Tara, I want to talk to you a little bit about your membership course, right? Because most digital agencies are all about that. They're like, how can we get more clients to sell them more ads?
Yeah.
But you kind of went a different way. What prompted you to start this membership community, and how's that look?
Well, for years, I've had so many, well, because a lot of my clients have had online courses. And so for years, I would have either them or their, their project managers or whoever kind of approach me and just say, listen, you need to have a course and you're great at teaching and the way you explain things. And I've always been really big into education with my clients. And I've always had to find, because sometimes Facebook ads, if you just look at it, straight on, it can be a little bit challenging to understand initially. So what I had to do is figure out all these ways to make Facebook ads make sense to my clients. Well, I did a good job at that. And so, some of them asked me, hey, would you come into my community and teach my community? So I had to figure out these ways to teach these other communities that had no experience with ads or even digital marketing. And so I'd figure out these analogies and fun, easy ways to teach. And, so many of my techniques fell flat. And so I go back to the drawing board and how do I teach this a different way? Or what's a better analogy for that? And pretty soon we started doing really well. In fact, I would say, I can probably claim to have, I think accurately claim to have taught more people in their late 60s, 70s, and 80s Facebook ads than any other ads teacher that I know of. And I'm telling you, they're good enough that you would beg me for their phone number if you knew how good they were. They are so good at ads. One of my best students is in her 80s, and she can flipping kill it on ads, I'm telling you. And so, I think because of that, when it came time for me to realize, like, we can't take on more clients, I don't want to expand my agency. How can I serve all these people I want to help? Because I love teaching this. I just realized I needed to have a membership. Now, I told you I'd been approached by so many people about having my own course. I didn't believe in courses for ads because that algorithm changes every 6 weeks. It just seemed like, how can I possibly teach this, let them go on their way, and then in 6 weeks, there's going to be a major update.
Right.
So once I kind of figured out there's a different way of doing this, and that way could be a membership, I was sold. And so, yeah, we've been able to teach thousands of people how to do their own ads, save money over hiring it out. It's been a wonderful experience.
That's really smart. And I think, so if I'm seeing or hearing one common thread throughout our conversation, it's you need to listen to what people need.
Yes.
Don't try to fit a square
Absolutely.
through a circle hole.
Yeah.
You gotta listen to what people need. And I think that's when the magic really happens. Where is your community? Is it on Facebook or is it on a separate platform? Where do you host your community?
Well, we have our training. So I put everybody through our training, which is the same system we've used to build, our multi-million-dollar clients. So we take them through our trainings, very simple, step-by-step, short lessons. Basically, you get your ad set up within a couple hours sort of deal. Mm-hmm. And we have our membership, our kind of community. We have a Facebook group to house kind of the daily questions and that sort of thing. And then we also have daily support. So we have daily office hours, and we have people hopping in right now, in fact, to our office hours. Our coaches on there, and they'll just, hey, I've got this question, or I got this block, or, this looks buggy to me. Is this just a Facebook bug, or is this something I need to resolve on my end? So people hop in and ask their questions and get on their way. It's pretty cool.
Really smart. Do you do live video and interact with a lot of people as well in your group? Has that been a powerful tool for you?
Yeah, absolutely. We do a ton of video, a ton of live video. I don't think this would be as effective without all that video. Lots of video happening all the time. How
do you stream live video? Do you have a separate tool for live video, or do you just use whatever's native to the platform?
Yeah, whatever's native to, we typically do. If I'm doing like Facebook Lives, I really love the Be Live app and others like it. I think it makes it a little bit more interesting and dynamic, but yeah, whatever's native to the platform is what we typically use.
Love that. So you're keeping up with the engagement there, and live video is really powerful. Were you scared when you first went live first time?
Yes, of course. I think everybody is so intimidated by it, and definitely me too. you know, live video or even doing trainings, like hosting webinars. That's all extremely overwhelming and intimidating the first time you do it. And then, you tear the Band-Aid off and it's not so bad after.
Yeah. Same thing with your first Facebook ad and your first live
Yes.
video. It's all scary at first.
It's all scary at first. I think every part of business is scary at first. The first time you run your own payroll or, hire somebody. I mean, all of that is scary. It's just the process we go through.
Yeah. I love your Instagram bio. I think it says entrepreneurship is like jumping out of a plane and jumping out of a plane and then building an aircraft on your way down or something.
Yeah, that's right.
I like that.
That's right.
I like that. So, Tara, where can people find more about you to get more insight, build up more engagement, build better ads? Where can we find you?
Thank you so much. SuccessfulAdsClub.com is our website, and there you can find kind of what we're about and what we offer. And we'd love it if anybody was listening and it was resonating with them. Check it out and you can see if it's a good fit for you. But SuccessfulAdsClub.com. And then I'm Tara Zirker on Instagram. So I'd love to connect with you there. That's where I get to be, just really open up about everything that I love, which includes family and running a business with family and faith and all that good stuff.
Love it. Love it. Instagram, a great place to give the people the behind the scenes.
Yes.
The behind the scenes. Thank you so much for watching. I'm glad you enjoyed this episode. I've got several other episodes right here for you. Smash one of these videos to make sure that you don't miss out on the tips, tools, and tactics of industry experts. Let's take that side hustle full time. Smash one of these links.